Hi, class. Happy week 2. I want to take some time out to remind you guys about how you should be using Blackboard. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Now, this shows you the student view of the social psych class. There are 2 sections, and so I'm going to use this video for both. But this is just a quick reminder of what tabs you should be looking at. And so first, under course content, if you go to the learning units, then you'll see what you should be reading about for each week. And so I'm doing a quick scroll through. And then if you hit the discussion board, it should take you to the discussion board area. And so you're able to see your assignment that way. But also, I want you to remember to use tabs like for questions. I'm getting a lot of email from you guys, and I really want you to be using course messages because I'm already getting a ton of emails and I don't want to lose any of them. I don't want you guys to fall in the cracks. But also, if you use course messages, I'm able to see what class you're in. So if you have a question and you didn't remember to mention your class, this will make it a lot easier for me. I will be available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Now that we are in this pandemic and after last semester, I see that I can go a little bit crazy with the emails and all of the work that I have to do. So I'm trying to be a little bit more organized. So keep in mind, I will respond to your communications Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. And remember to send them through course messages, not through email. And this also shows you my office hours as well as the Zoom link. So everything you know about how to get in touch with me, how to ask questions are under this tab for questions, student hours, and availability. And then there's also my grading policy. And so remember to check this out so you get an idea of when your grades will be back to you after you complete an assignment. Um, the fact that I don't accept late work, so don't be late, emphasizes that. But then also, if you go under assignments, so by the time you get your first blog post assignment, it will tell you to come to the assignments link. So here you'll see, if you scroll down, how to do the blog post step by step. So this is a video to tell you how to set up your blog post, but then this is also step by step telling you how to actually do the assignment. And so you'll need to go here to really see what it is you need to know. And then project implicit is another assignment. And so this way, if you do have any questions for me on how to do your assignments, you will have read this first. And then you can have very specific questions, and that'll also help me if I need to revamp the instructions. So if there's anything I'm missing in the instructions, your questions will help with that. And so just remember to make sure you're using these tabs over here. I really did my best to try to make Blackboard very clear for you to answer your questions preemptively. So everything you need to know about the course should be on Blackboard. If it's not, let me know, but I want you to go look first. So remember over here, the start tab, start here, gives you some information, some general information about the class, about how to participate in an online class. And I also have the academic calendar here as well in this is in the syllabus. So I really want you to take advantage of all of the information that I posted here. And also keep in mind that there are examples of your assignments as well. So blog post example here, click that link. It'll take you to that blog post that I thought was very well done, and so on and so forth. So please use Blackboard. And then if you have any questions for me, you can come see me during my office hours. They're open Tuesday through Thursday, 11 through 1. You don't have to make an appointment. Just come on in at those times and ask me any questions that you have. So I hope this was helpful. And moving forward, I hope things are a little bit more smooth. So I will stop sharing my screen and I will say thank you and enjoy the rest of your week.